My name is Udit. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am recitating shloka with meaning. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govinda Namo Namaha. Meaning, Krishna, the son of Devaki and Vasudeva, he was taken care by Nanda Gopa during his childhood and is also called Govinda by pranamas to Lord Krishna. Vasudevam Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Meaning, this mantra praises the universal Guru Krishna, the killer of demons, Kamsa and Chanura. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this mantra, we are the two avatars of Lord Vishnu, Krishna and Rama. This mantra we are calling universal energy, the source of all energies. Om Devaki Nandanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Krishna Prachodayat. Meaning, this mantra gives salutation to the limitless and supreme deity Krishna, the son of Devaki and Vasudeva. This higher power is the one who is constantly governing our thoughts while we meditate. Mrityunjayaya Rudraya Nilakantaya Shambhave Amruteshaya Sarvaya Mahadevaya Namo Namaha. Shiva, who is called as Mrityunjaya Rudra Nilakanta Shambho Amrutesha Sarva. I like to pray to you. Thank you.